How to enable or turn on auto translation on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're in the profile page, at the top right corner, you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Then navigate to the option of settings and privacy. Here you're going to find different sections. Under content and display, you will see the option of language. Click on that option. Now here you're going to see the option of always translate post. Enable for this option. Once you toggle on for this option, now post will be translated into your translation language when possible. This includes post descriptions, comments, photo titles, video captions, and text in videos. Click on the option of translate into. Now here you're going to find different language options. You can select the option of your choice and click on done. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily enable or turn on auto translation on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.